Good morning student. Today we are going to learn second standard English grammar fourth number chapter nouns number. Okay, last video we learned rule number 3. Now today we are going to learn rule number 4. Rule 4. See, nouns that end in f or fe generally drop the f or fe and add fes to make it plural. Now listen, nouns nouns, nouns that that end in f or fe generally drop the f or fe and add fes to make it plural. Make it plural. Now listen, rule number 4. Nouns that end in f or fe. F or fe generally drop the f or fe and add fes to make it plural. Now listen, इथे पहा, शेवटी जर वर्डच्या किंवा नाउनच्या शेवटी जर एफ किंवा fe असेल तर तो काय होतो, ड्रॉप होतो आणि त्या ठिकाणी प्लुरल सिंग्युलरचा प्लुरल होताना एफ किंवा fe नाउन मध्ये असेल तर एफ आणि fe काय होतो, ड्रॉप होतो आणि त्याला ऍड काय होतो, फीएस. प्लुरल होताना त्याला ऍड काय होतो, फीएस. नाउ सी द वर्ड्स. सिंगुलर and plural. See, thief, thief. Here is last f. Now listen in plural form. See, thief, add fes. Now listen. In singular form, there is which word? Thief. 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 Okay. Lastly, here is the f. So f is drop and add here in plural form fes. पहा, सिंगुलर मध्ये इथं लास्ट वर्ड ला काय आहे, एफ आहे लेटर. तर हा एफ लेटर काय होतो, ड्रॉप होतो आणि प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना तिथं ऍड काय होतं, एफ ड्रॉप झाल्यानंतर फीएस काय होतं, ऍड होऊन प्लुरल वर्ड बनतो. ओके, thiefes म्हणजे एफ हा ड्रॉप होऊन प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये काय ऍड होतं, फीएस ऍड होतं. मीन्स थीप, थीव्स. ओके, सी देन second word, knife, knife, means see here is the last word fe. Knives, knifes, here is add fes, means in singular form there is the last letter is fe. So fe is drop and add in plural form fes. See here, पहा fe सिंगुलर फॉर्म मध्ये असेल लास्ट लेटर्स तर प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना तिथे ऍड काय होतं, fe ड्रॉप होऊन fes ऍड होतं. ठीक, नीफ, knife, नीफ. See, in singular form there is word नीफ, knife, नीफ. Last letter is fe. Okay, in plural form there is add fes. fe is drop and add here fes. fe हा होतं, ड्रॉप होऊन प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना त्याला ऍड काय होतं, पीईएस ऍड होतो. KNIPES न्यूज. सी देन थर्ड वर्ड लोप, LOAF lope. Here is F, drop and add here PES, LOAPES, loads. Okay, see then fourth number word leap, LEAF, leap. F is drop and add here PES, LEAPES. F हा ड्रॉप होऊन तिथं प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना काय ऍड होतो, PES ऍड होतो. Now listen, see then fifth number word life, LIFE life. Now listen, here is FE drop and add here PES, LIPES leaves, LIPES leaves. Okay, now listen, first word means here noun that end in F or FE. Generally drop the F or FE and add PS to make it plural. Now first word see here thief, THIEF, thief. Okay, in plural form there is F is drop and in plural form PS add, THIPES, thieves. Now listen, see the second word nip, KNIFE, nip. FE is drop and add in plural form PES, news, KNIPES. Now listen, see the third word lope, LOAF, lope. F is drop and plural form add here PES, loads. Okay, now listen, fourth word see leap, LEAF, leap. Okay, in plural form F is drop and add here PES, means leaves, LEAPES, leaves. Now listen, see the fifth number word life, LIFE, life. Okay, here is FE drop and add here PES, means in plural form there is word which leaves, LIPES, leaves. Okay, you understand now these words. Now listen, see the next words. Wolf, WOLF, means here is the last F. Okay, in plural form there is add PES, WOLPES, wolves. Okay, wolf, wolves. See then shelf, SHELF, shelf. Here is F drop and add here PES, shelves, SHELFES, shelves. Add here PES. Now listen, see then third number word wife, WIFE, wife. Here is FE drop and add here PES, WIPES, views, WIPES, views. Now listen, see then fourth number word calf, 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 calf. Here F is drop and add here PES, calves, CALPES, calves. See then fifth number word half, HALF, half. Here F is drop and add here PES, HALPES, halves. Okay, listen once again, I repeat this word. Wolf, WOLF, wolf. Here F is drop and add here VES, means making the word which wolves, WOLPES, wolves. Okay, now listen, see the second word shelf, SHELF, shelf. Here F is drop and add here PES, shelves, SHELPES, shelves. Now listen, see the third number word wife, WIFE, wife. Here FE drop. Okay, in plural form add PES, views, WIPES, views. Add here PES. Now listen, see then fourth number word calf, CALF, calf. F in plural form F is drop and add here PES, calves. Okay, see then fifth number word half, HALF, half. Okay, you understand now this rule number 4. Now listen, we will see rule number 5. Now listen, see then rule number 5. Rule number 5. RULE rule number 5. Noun that, nouns, NOUNS, nouns that, THAT, that end with the vowel POWEL, vowel O, take ES to change it from singular to plural. Singular to plural. Okay, now listen, rule number 5 is noun that end with the vowel O take ES to change from singular to plural. पहा नाउनच्या शेवटी जर ओ हा वॉवेल स्वर असेल तर तो काय होतो चेंज होऊन तिथे काय होतो ES प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये लागतो त्याला. ओके, ओ जर असेल नाउनच्या शेवटी सिंग्युलर फॉर्म मध्ये ओ जर असेल तर तो काय होतो चेंज होऊन तिथं प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना ES काय होतो ऍड होतो. ओके, नाउ लिसन सी देन वर्ड्स. Do you understand the rule number 5? Noun that end with the vowel O take ES to change it from singular to plural. जर नाउनच्या शेवटी काय असेल वॉवेल ओ असेल तर तो चेंज होऊन काय होतं प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये तिथे ES ऍड होतो. नाउ लिसन सी देन वर्ड्स. सिंगुलर SINGULAR singular and plural PLURAL plural. Okay, singular and plural. See then what? First, hero. HERO, hero means here is O. O is vowel. Okay, in plural form O is changing with and add here ES, heroes. O is not changing here. See, here only add the ES. Then see then rule number 5. Once again, noun that end with the vowel O take ES to change it from singular to plural. Okay, means नाउनच्या जर शेवटी ओ असेल तर प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये होताना त्याला काय लागतं फक्त ES काय होतं त्याच्या पुढे लागतो. त्या नाउनच्या ओ च्या पुढे काय लागतो ES ऍड होतो. ओ हा चेंज होऊन तिथे ES लागत नाहीये तर काय होतं ओ च्या पुढे ES हा ऍड होतो. ओके, फर्स्ट टाइम I told wrongly, but see here, listen carefully. Nouns that end with the vowel O take ES to change it from singular to plural. Rule number 5 means नाउनच्या शेवटी जर काय असेल वॉवेल ओ जर असेल ओके तर त्याच्या पुढे काय होतो ES हा ऍड होतो प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना. ओके, बल्कि ओ हा चेंज होऊन ES लागत नाहीये तर ओ च्या पुढे काय लागतो ES फक्त लागतो. Now listen, see then hero, heroes. See then second word tomato, TOMATO means here is the last word vowel. So here in the plural form adding here ES, TOMATOES, tomatoes. Okay, now listen, see then third potato, POTATO, potato means lastly here is the vowel O, So in the plural form, adding here es. Potates, potatoes. Okay. Now fourth number, C, mango. M-A-N-G-O means lastly here is the vowel which O. In plural form, adding here es. M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Okay, listen. Rule number 5. Noun that end with the vowel O, take es to change it from singular to plural. म्हणजे नाउनच्या शेवटी जर ओ हा काय असेल, वॉवेल असेल, तर प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये त्या ओ च्या पुढे काय लागतो, es हा ऍड होतो. सी देन वर्ड्स H-E-R-O, hero. Here is the O. Okay. O is vowel. So in plural form here is adding only es. H-E-R-O-E-S, heroes. See the second word, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Here plural form adding here es. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. See then third number, potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Here is O is vowel. So in plural form here is adding es. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. See then fourth number word, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Okay, in plural form adding here es. M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Okay, see the next words. Echo. E-C-H-O, echo. In plural form here is adding O is vowel, so here is adding es. E-C-H-O-E-S, echos. See buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Okay, here is adding es. B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S, buffaloes. Okay, see the third word, cargo. C-A-R-G-O. Here is O is vowel, so here is add es. C-A-R-G-O-E-S, cargos. Okay, fourth number word, C, motto. M-O-T-T-O, motto. Here is lastly O is vowel, so here is adding es. Mottos. M-O-T-T-O-E-S, mottos. Okay, see first word, echo. E-C-H-O. Okay, echo. Here is last O is vowel. In plural form here is adding es. E-C-H-O-E-S, echos. See then second word, buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Here is O is vowel, so last word O is vowel, so in plural form here is adding es. B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S, buffaloes. See third word, cargo. C-A-R-G-O. Here last letter is O. So in plural form here is adding es. Cargos. C-A-R-G-O-E-S, cargos. Okay. Now listen. See then fourth number word, motto. M-O-T-T-O, motto. Last letter is O. So in plural form here is adding what? Es. Mottos. M-O-T-T-O-E-S, mottos. Okay. Do you understand now? Rule number 5. Noun that end with the vowel O, take es to change it from singular to plural. जर नाउन मध्ये शेवटी ओ हा लेटर असेल तर त्याच्या पुढे काय लागतो, प्लुरल फॉर्म होता ना es. Okay, do you understand now? Okay, see then some words. See the next word. See, some noun do not follow the above rule and some noun are the same in their singular and plural form. पहा काय काय ठिकाणी नाउन ला हे रूल्स काय पडत नाहीत, लागू पडत नाहीत, तर काय काय वेळेस कशा असतात, सिंग्युलर फॉर्म आणि प्लुरल फॉर्म हे कसे असतात, दोन्ही पण वर्ड जे नाउन्स असतात ते सिंग्युलर मध्ये पण सारखे असतात आणि प्लुरल मध्ये सुद्धा सारखे असतात. ओके, सी द वर्ड्स मीन्स व्हॉट. सी सम नाउन्स डू नॉट फॉलो द अबो रूल. ओके, काय काय नाउनना हे रूल्स लागू पडत नाही, तर काय काय नाउन्स काय असतात, सिंग्युलर फॉर्म मध्ये पण आणि प्लुरल फॉर्म पण मध्ये कसे असतात, सारखेच असतात. ओके, सी देन वर्ड. सी man, man, man. Okay, in plural form men, men, men means a is changing in plural form, there is e. Okay, now listen, woman, 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 in plural form women, women, women. Okay, see then third, foot, foot, foot. Okay, in plural form feet, feet, feet. Okay, see then fourth number, what, tooth, tooth. Okay, in plural form teeth, teeth. See then fifth number word, child, child, child. Okay, in plural form children, children, children. Okay, see then first word, man. Okay, in plural form there is men, men. Okay, in singular form woman, woman, woman. In plural form we see women, women. Okay, see then third number word, foot, foot. Okay, in plural form see there feet, feet. Okay, see then fourth number word, tooth, tooth. Okay, in plural form teeth, teeth, teeth. See then fifth number word, child, child. Okay, in plural form children, children. See then next word, deer, deer. In plural form deer means here is not changing, deer. Okay, now listen, see fish, fish. In plural form fish, fish, or fishes, fishes, fishes. Okay, now listen, see then next word, furniture, furniture, furniture. Okay, in plural form there is word furniture means here is not changing this word, furniture, furniture. Okay, now listen, see the next word, hair, hair. Okay, in plural form there is not changing this word means in plural form there is word hairs. Okay, see the word deer, deer, deer. Okay, in plural form this word is not changing means in plural form word is deer. Fish, fish. In plural form see fish, fish, or fishes, fishes. Now listen, see then next word, furniture. Okay, furniture. Okay, in plural form this word is not changing, furniture. Okay, now listen, see the next word, hair, hair. Okay, this word is not changing in plural form means in plural form word is hair, hair. Okay, see the next words, जर काय असेल ऑक्स असेल OX ऑक्स असेल तर त्याच्या पुढे काय लागतं EN. प्लुरल फॉर्म होताना काय होतं EN ऍड होतो. ओके सी द नेक्स्ट वर्ड रेनो RHINO रेनो Reynolds RHINOS means here is add only yes Reynolds. Photo see the next word photo 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 in plural form here is add only yes photos PHOTO yes photos. Okay see then fourth number word radio 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 in plural form here is adding only yes RADIOS radios. Okay see then next word mouse 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 in plural form there is mice 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 mice. Okay see once again ox. Okay in singular form here is word ox. Okay in plural form add here EN OX EN oxen. Okay rhino 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 here is add only yes rhinos RHINOS rhinos. Now listen see then third word photo 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 in plural form adding here only yes photos PHOTO yes photos. Now listen fourth number word is radio RADIO radio. Okay here is add only yes radios RADIOS radios. Okay see then fifth number word mouse MOUSE mouse. Okay in plural form word is mice MICE mice. Okay see then next words louse LOUSE louse. Okay in plural form here is lice LICE lice. Okay see sheep 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 in plural form this word is not changing means this word plural form is sheep SHEEP sheep. See series 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 in plural form here is not changing this word means in plural form this word is for series SERIES series. Sincerely see next word SCENERY sincerely. Now listen this word is not changing in plural form is sinceries SCENERY sincerely. Listen once again I repeat this word louse LOUSE louse. Okay in plural form this word is changing and making what lice LICE lice. लाउचं काय होतं लाइस होतो प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये. शीप SHEEP शीप शीपचा हा चेंजिंग होत नाही प्लुरल मध्ये शीपच राहतो SHEEP शीप. सी देन सेरीज SERIES सेरीज सेरीज सिंग्युलर मधून प्लुरल फॉर्म मध्ये जाता वेळेस काय होतं सेरीजच राहतो म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा काय होत नाही चेंज होत नाही SERIES series. See the next word sincerely SCENERY sincerely. Okay this word is not changing in plural form म्हणजे सिंग्युलर मधून प्लुरल होता वेळेस तो वर्ड सुद्धा काय होत नाही चेंज होत नाही SCENERY sincerely. Okay student you understand no noun and numbers. I think you understand it these rules no. Thank you.